In 1975, Eric Ekholm wrote a book called The Other Energy Crisis. The main energy crisis was oil, of course, in 1974, but the other energy crisis was the deforestation, the disappearance of woodlands. So this became, the vegetation became it was a neat focus of our work, how the houses were no longer made of wood, but they were roofed with corrugated iron. When we first went there, a lot of the old people were dressed in skins, and nearly all the household utensils, instruments, weapons were made from the trees. And within our period of study, that all disappeared. The forestry department's response, again, was to encourage communal woodlots, which seldom work, because the assumption here, which I've been fighting all my professional life, is that out there is a community which is cooperative. And this, of course, was the main reason for the collapse of Nyereri's Ujamaa program, which was founded on the belief that people are cooperative. They're not. I mean, they'll cooperate within a small family group or one based on religion, but a village is seldom. There are always feuds and factions. And also, when woodlots were established, very often the women did all the work, were expected to, of watering them and guarding them and weeding them. But when it came to selling them, the men expected to get the results. So we, in and out of season, Bernard and I were encouraging the foresters to ask the local people what they wanted, what they knew about trees. One example is of one tree. It was a Melia volcensis, which we had seen growing in straight rows, obviously planted by local farmers. And we asked one of the foresters, who in fact was a British forester left over from colonial days, who was very snooty, and he said, "Oh, it's far too difficult to germinate." So they were planting easy trees like eucalyptus and pines, which the local people didn't like, weren't much good to them. So we asked an old man who had a row of 20 Melia, and we said, "How do you plant these?" And he was very scathing. He took a pinch of snuff, and he said, "I'm surprised. I thought you white people knew everything. Every Karithi is an uncircumcised boy. It's a very insulting thing. Every Karithi knows that. You follow the goats around. The goats eat the seed from the marah, and the enzymes do the work, and then you plant the excreted seed." And we told the forester that. I don't think he believed us. But they could easily have collected these and planted the Melia, which is a multi-purpose tree. It provides shade. The goats eat the fruit. It's a good hardwood tree for building. And compared to eucalypt, it's 10 times better.